How's everybody doing tonight? I hope this video isn't upside down because it's all backwards and stuff. So, anyway, it is Sunday, July 21st, 2024. It is 10:33 at night. Okay, so what I've got for you for this video is stuff on the sun. There's a website called Earth Sky, and you can go and find out what's the activity on the sun. So, I thought since today was Sunshine Star Sunday that I would check out what was going on with the sun today. It's really kind of fun to learn about stuff like this. I had no idea that this existed. I just recently ran across it somehow. I forgot how. Okay. So it says, Sun News, July 21st. Here's an average day on an active sun. On an active sun. It doesn't say on the active sun. It says on an active sun. Okay. Today's top story. Happy Sunday. It's an average day on our active sun. Now at or near solar maximum, the peak of the 11-year sunspot cycle. Flaring levels have been moderate over the past day with 3 M flares. The disk and limb edge are covered with prominences and filaments. A few have erupted, but none of them are Earth-directed. Even with this ordinary day, looking at the sun in 304 and 171 angstrom light from the sun, observing GOES 16, GOES, and SDO spacecraft, the signs of solar maximum are all around. See the image above. Okay, and I'll show you the image that it shows. And hopefully you can see it. Okay. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, and then, let's see, what's it saying? See, image back. We can see huge magnetic loops off the limb edge, indicative of powerful magnetic fields from sunspots. Small flashes all over the disk illuminate solar flares from small to moderate sizes, C and N flares, respectively. Bright areas on the solar disk show active regions. The super hot coronal atmosphere sitting over top of sunspots. And we're currently in an SDO Earth eclipse season. So we're also seeing quick moments of darkness due to Earth's moving temporarily between SDO and the sun. Our favorite star always amazes. Last 24 hours. Solar activity in the past day continued at moderate levels with the production of 3 M flares. During our observation period, 11 UTC yesterday to 11 UTC today, our sun produced 23 flares, the 3 M flares and 20 C flares. The largest flare was an M1.6 on July 20th at 1836 UTC from AR 3744. An R1 minor radio blackout affected an area over the United States. The lead flare producer was sunspot region AR 3751 with 11 flares. It produced one of the M flares and 10 C flares. The breakdown of M flares is M1.6 on July 20th at 1836 UTC from AR 3744, R1 minor radio blackout over the United States. M1.0 on July 21st at 346 UTC from AR 3744, R1 minor radio blackout over Eastern Asia. M1.8 on July 21st at 826 UTC from AR 3751, R1 minor radio blackout over the Middle East. Active region AR 3751 kept its beta gamma magnetic complexity. The greater the magnetic complexity, the greater the potential for strong flaring. AR 3751 remains the largest active region on the sun's visible face. AR 3761 increased its complexity to beta gamma. The remaining regions have simple alpha or beta magnetic complexity. The sun has 12 numbered active regions. A small filament erupted from the northeast around 1500 UTC on July 20th, and another filament lifted off from the North Pole around 17 UTC on July 20th. Neither created an Earth-directed CME. The next 24 hours. The chance for C flares is 99%. The chance for M flares is 55%. The chance for X flares is 10%. Next expected CME, no Earth-directed coronal mass ejections, CMEs, were in the available imagery. Current geomagnetic activity. Earth's magnetic field is quite quiet at the time of this writing, 11 UTC on July 21st. The geomagnetic field may see G1 minor geomagnetic storm levels on July 21st due to the influence of a CME that left the sun on July 16th. As the CME's influence wanes, mostly quiet to unsettled levels are likely on July 22nd and July 23rd. Okay, and there's another picture of the sun. Let's show you another picture of the sun. This is so cool. They've got all these sunspots and stuff on the sun. And sometimes they create things. See all these dark spots right here? These are called sunspots. Well, yeah. And then the flares, they come off of the edge of the sun. And there was one big one that came off, but it said that it didn't. It looks like one of those whips that, whips from the sun out into space. But it said it didn't come near Earth. So that's good. So that's why evidently it might not have been as hot, possibly. Or something to that effect. Okay. And then here's all the ARs. These are all the sunspot areas. And there's little bitty ones too that we can't necessarily see with the naked eye, but they can see with their telescopes and all that good stuff. And they're called ARs. AR, and then they have a number behind it. Okay, so that's all of the sun news for today. So that's all I've got for you for this video. If you like this content, like this video, It helps for people to see this information. And or comment below. Feel free to comment below or share and all that good stuff. Don't forget to go out there and rainbow it. Fill the world with love, peace, joy, charity, kindness, all the good fruits of the spirits. Thank you, and everybody have a good day, a good night, and a good evening.